What's up, guys? Welcome to Unbox World. Today I'm doing an unboxing of the Chanel clutch bag. This is a very nice nice bag, small, nice accessory, and it's, I believe, $1,400 directly from Chanel, and I think it's one of the cheapest bags they actually have. This is the box it comes in, normal small Chanel bag, matte black. The receipt, the authenticity card, little dust bag, and this is the bag. Got the nice diamond finish on the leather, the gold Chanel logo. Take it out. Clutch. Zip it with one hand. This is the inside. Purple inside. The Chanel logo, made in Italy. A little bit of room just for the essentials, of course. Close up of the leather. Definitely a nice bag. Nice little, it's a good, definitely a good entry Chanel bag to have. And yeah, that is the bag. It's a nice little clutch. Thank you guys for watching, and make sure to subscribe. I'll be doing a lot more videos, and let me know what you want me to unbox and review next.